There's this trending topic right now here in Iloilo City about the newly opened Sunset Boulevard. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about that? Because yung nangyari is that people would go there to spend time. No? Wala namang masama dyan. Exercise, spend time with your family. But yung nangyayari is that they would leave their trash there. Ginawa nilang malaking basurahan yung Sunset Boulevard. And nakakahiya. Now, it's supposed to showcase how amazing Ilonggos are. And it's just so sad that there are certain individuals who don't know and don't appreciate the effort that Iloilo City local government, yung effort nila para pagandahin naman yung city natin to decongest the traffic. And sana naman we also do our part. Let's clean it up. Let's also, kumbaga, clean as you go. You spend time there, you eat there. Okay lang naman. It's a public place. But please be responsible enough. Why did I decide to share this? Because hindi lang naman yan sa labas. Trash or basura, hindi lang naman yan external trash. Because meron din trash in our mind. Trash, basura sa utak mo. Hindi mo ba alam na pwede mong kontrolin yung mga pumapasok sa isip mo? Hindi tayo kasi tinuruan that we can use our mind to our advantage. So just like what's happening in Sunset Boulevard na ang daming basura na iniiwan ng ibang tao, tayo as individuals, we also permit trash to enter our thoughts. Paano? Those negative thoughts are trash in your mind. Those times that you would complain, that you would blame, and you would judge other people, that's already trash. Basura na yan na pumapasok sa isip mo. When you think about something negative or you wish something negative to other people, that's already trash. So, hindi lang physical trash yung nangyayari sa buhay natin. You need to also learn na meron palang mental trash and emotional trash. And imagine, the more trash that you accumulate in your mind, anong nangyayari? It begins to smell. Bumabaho siya. So think about it. What kind of mind do you nurture? Do you nurture trash in your mind? Sooner or later, that trash, lumalabas siya sa buhay mo. That's why everyone would avoid you. Baka allergic yung mga tao sa'yo kasi puro basura yung lumalabas sa bunganga mo. Puro ka na lang reklamo, blame other people, you judge other people. Wala na kumbagang maganda na lumalabas sa bunganga mo. It's because everything that's happening in your mind right now, puro basura. So why not throw the trash and decongest your mind? How do you do that? How do you decongest your mind? Number one, stop blaming, complaining, and judging others, even in your mind, no? Then, have the conscious effort to say to yourself that this thought, or itong pag-iisip na to, hindi siya nakakatulong sa akin. So, why would I accommodate this? Imagine, basics lang. And what's amazing here is libre pa. So if you keep on doing it, if you make it as a habit, anong mangyayari? Gumagaan yung buhay mo. Lumilinis yung buhay mo. And you're attracting, instead of trash in your life, you're attracting more blessings. And because of that, what happens is we become responsible to also clean our surroundings. Because cleanliness starts from our mind. If we clean our mind, then we also want our surroundings to be clean. So think about that. What are the quality of thoughts that you always think about? Now, going back to Sunset Boulevard, let's do our part naman, everyone. Iloilo City is such a beautiful place. Alam ko, hindi ako taga Iloilo City, pero when I transferred here, I fell in love with Iloilo City, and I fell in love here in Iloilo. So, me myself, I'm so proud to be a part of Iloilo City, and I want our city to be one of the best, not only in the Philippines, but also in the world. So, let's do our part, let's help each other, let's be proud to be Ilonggos. Pag malaki natin na Ilonggo tayo, we have this Sunset Boulevard that we can showcase not only in the here in the Philippines, but also to the rest of the world. That there's this place that we can connect, we can build relationships, but at the same time, we respect the environment and everyone else. So, play your part. Stop thinking and accommodating trash in your mind. Now, before I forget, let me introduce myself. I'm Jun Acevedo. I'm a master trainer in mindset mastery and transformational leadership. I help entrepreneurs and business leaders break through mental and emotional barriers. I'll help you develop unshakable confidence and master high performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. So, what are you waiting for? Control your thoughts, filter what goes in, focus on the positive. Let's make a difference. Let's give our best to create positive change.